If you're after a small, portable enclosure that's tough enough to protect your valuable data, yet is versatile enough to use alongside your various gadgets and not just your computer, then this could be the ideal solution: the AiFFro P08 magnetic SSD. Available in both 256 and 512 gig capacities, the AiFFro P08 SSD is a rather basic drive that has several uses. Nothing that we haven't seen done before, but it comes as a nice, sleek, neat enclosure. Available in pink as well as the blue we have here, there's not much to see on the outside to be fair, other than the single USB 3.2 Type-C port on one end, operating at 5 gigabits per second speeds. Talking of speeds, the drive can be used anywhere you'd use any other standard drive, whether that's with your computer, laptop or any other device. Complete with a short USB-C cable included in the package, hooked up to a computer, the drive is instantly available for use, and although speeds aren't as high as I would have liked for an external drive of this type, it does do the job just fine in speeding up otherwise slower data transfers. The beauty of this drive comes with the design though, measuring only 59mm and only 7mm thick and weighing under 30 grams, it's extremely compact and lightweight, but thanks to that built-in magnet, it can be easily attached to the back of your smartphone without adding bulk. Complete with a specially designed short USB cable, once connected to an iPhone 15 Pro and above, it provides the ability to directly store 4K ProRes videos externally. No need to worry about running out of phone memory or transferring files separately after recording, which is handy. You can even use it as an external drive for storing photos, videos or general files on too. Yes, you can use another external SSD to do the same task, but they're not as nice and convenient as this considering the slim design. It's completely out of the way. So there's much to like about this drive. Physically, it's solid, protecting the drive and your data inside, although at the same time its slim, neat and tidy design can be used with your iPhone to capture life's most cherished moments in stunning 4K quality. I would have liked to have seen higher capacity options as well as faster data transfer speeds, but at this price point it does its job, and it does it pretty well.